Hapo jana taarifa ziligonga vyombo vya habari kuhusiana na kuweza kutekwa nyara kwa moja kati ya mawakili hapa jijini Nairobi. Wakili Beatrice ambaye inaaminika alipata kutekwa nyara na maafisa kutokea katika kitengo cha upelelezi cha DCI. Ila kitengo cha upelelezi cha DCI kimeweza kutoa taarifa hizi na kuweza kuongea mbona waliweza kumteka nyara lawyer Beatrice Ng'ethe na mbona amekuwa akishikiliwa. Detectives have revealed why they arrested and locked up a Nairobi-based lawyer for days in connection with the daring escape of murder suspect Kevin Kang'ethe from Muthaiga police station. Miss Beatrice Ng'ethe was released on Sunday evening after spending 2 days in a cell at Pangani police station following her arrest on Friday. Detectives from the Directorate of Criminal Investigations DCI picked her up from her house in Kiambu County on Friday morning as she prepared breakfast. Officers looked into the case on Sunday, intimidated that Ng'ethe, who is Mr. Kang'ethe's cousin, became a person of interest after phone records revealed that she was in communication with the fugitive days before he strolled out of Muthaiga police station without a trace. DCI boss Mohamed Amin told the nation that Ms. Ng'ethe was interrogated in connection with the escape that put Kenyan police to shame just days after Washington, D.C., through its embassy in Nairobi, gave them a pat on the back for arresting Mr. Kang'ethe. On the run for more than 4 months now, the fugitive, who was busted while partying in a club in Westlands, was being held over the murder of his girlfriend Margaret Mbitu in Boston. Police are investigating her alleged role in the escape, but she has already been released, Mr. Amin said. Ms. Ng'ethe, close friends and relatives told the nation that she had indeed communicated with Mr. Kang'ethe, but all he wanted was legal advice on how to handle the case before he is deported to the United States, where a warrant of arrest was issued against him. It has also been revealed that Mr. Kang'ethe has been traced to Machakos as of today. It is true that Kinyanjui, Mr. Kang'ethe, approached her, but all he wanted was legal advice on how he would deal with the murder case and the plans to extradite him to the United States, said the Fredo, who spoke in confidence due to the sensitivity of the matter. Police said a day before the murder, suspect vanished into thin air. The lawyer was at Muthaiga police station to see him. An officer attached to the station said the lawyer was allowed to speak to Mr. Kinyanjui. They talked for some time, the officer said. But later, the following day, Kinyanjui escaped from prison. That's what's up. These are among the trending stories in the country. All I heard from you is to make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. This is FM Show, okay?